One of the biggest myths around twin flames is that divine masculine is running because of a situation. They can't come into that union frequency because there is an obstacle there that is stopping you. And early on in the journey, you will focus on the obstacle. You will believe that the obstacle is the only reason why you can't be together. It's only when you start to move further along the journey that you realize that the obstacle was there as part of the journey, because the obstacle was there so you could overcome. And when I say you, I mean you and your divine counterpart. You see, your divine masculine is not running because of the obstacle. They are actually running, and this is the deepest truth. I'm underlining this. They are running because of everything that you mirror back to them. You mirror everything that they have spent their life trying to avoid. And that is their deepest truth. You mirror everything that brings them into their wholeness, into their truth. You see, right now, they stay in that uncomfortable, comfortable. Yes, it's not igniting. Yes, it's not alignment with soul. But right now, it stops them connecting in with their deep emotions. And when you had that bubble love energy, when you then went into that soul recognition, guess what it did? They saw everything, because the eyes are the mirrors to the soul, and they saw everything reflecting back at them, every deepest truth that they have spent their life avoiding. You mirrored it back to them, and that deregulated their nervous system. That brought them into their truth, into their power. That scared the living daylights out of them. But the thing is that once that truth has been seen, it can never now be unseen. So everything that you are, they now know that they are now running from the truth, from what you mirror back to them. But they now cannot unsee it. They can now not unfeel it. They now have to move through the energy. And yes, they will fail. Yes, they will avoid. Yes, they will go back to their uncomfortable, comfortable. But through the constant failing of trying to block it out, trying to run, and that's why they ghost, that's why they block, that's why they run, because you show them the truth at the deepest soul level. But here's another thing. They also show you. You are both guiding yourself back to that inner truth, to that deep soul truth. And this is why divine feminine, while ever they are focused on the distortion of the divine masculine, while ever the feminine focuses on the divine masculine, focus outside of themselves, they are not coming into the wholeness. They are not coming into their truth. You see, while ever you believe that you are abandoned, that you have been betrayed, that you now need to seek that validation that this was real, you are looking outside of yourself. The only way through the twin flame journey is to go within, divine feminine, is to go within, look within, align within. The codes, those conscious, Christ-conscious frequency is now rising up, and it is about deep alignment with soul. You can look at this journey within the fantasy. You can watch AI till you're blue in the face. You can search outside of the self. But the only way to true union is to go within, to create inner union. And when you create inner union, guess what? The frequency that you are vibrating at now becomes magnetic. No longer Are you pushing your energy out? You are now bringing that energy within. And when you bring the energy within, you align fully with soul. When you align fully with soul, you become magnetic at the deepest soulless level. And we know on this journey, twins hold that frequency of that quantum entanglement. When one alters its frequency, the other automatically responds. This is a journey of responding to frequency, not of chasing, not of trying to fix anybody, not of trying to save. A lot of the time, the divine feminine wants to explain, wants to save, wants to try and help. That's not how you move through the journey. You help by altering your own frequency, by letting go. Because in letting go, you come into that inner union frequency. When you're in that inner union frequency, guess what? Divine masculine goes through a very, very rapid Satori frequency. And that's when they're able to hold the truth and the soul energy. If you need more help and support, my Twin Flame course is there. It's the A to Z of the journey. If you need how to work with that energy and frequency that you're feeling now within you and how to learn how to alchemize it, then my quantum healers course is there. Everything on my website is there to help you to align deeper with your soul, to come into that deep inner union. Because in that deep inner union, that is where you come into that wholeness and that fullness and that vibration of the one. I send you so much love. Have a beautiful, blessed day. If you need more help and support, my website is there. It's the 3 W's, catsacredsoul.com. I send you much love.